My name is Maureen Tillich, and I had some facial reconstruction and dental implants by Dr. Salmassi. About 11 years ago, my daughter, who at the time was 21, and some of her friends came down from college, and we were just going to walk uptown and show her friends where we lived, our town. And we went to this little bar to have a drink and play shuffleboard. I went outside because I was hot, and that was life-changing for me because I was sitting out there and I saw a guy pushing his girlfriend, and all I really remember about the incident is telling him to calm down. So when I woke up, I was on the sidewalk, didn't know what was happening, so when I touched my face, I realized I didn't have some of my teeth, and my lip was split like it was cut with scissors, and I was bleeding pretty bad. There was all kinds of ambulance and police everywhere. Security video and witnesses said that he just punched me in the face one time and knocked me out cold. And I was out for a good long time, probably like 7 to 10 minutes, before somebody scooped me up out of the street and put me on the sidewalk. And I don't really remember much after that until the ambulance ride, and that was the beginning of a big ordeal.
My wife and I are sitting at lunch one day, and she reads a newspaper article and she hands it to me and she says, "You need to read this." And I read the article about a woman who'd been assaulted a few nights before in the area here, and they're trying to have a fundraiser for her to raise money for her care. And my wife looked at me and said, "You need to help this woman." And there was a phone number to call. So I tore the article out of the paper and brought it home. And the next day I brought it to my office, and I called my office manager to the side and I said, "I want you to call this woman. We're going to help her." So she left her a message on the phone, and it wasn't returned for the first 6 hours. And she called her again, and Maureen answered the phone. And my office manager said, "We want to invite you to come in to see if we can help you." And Maureen said to her, "What doctor invites a patient in?" And my office manager said, "We do."
I live in a really great community, the greatest community, and they really rally around me. So to get that call from him was amazing because my insurance wouldn't cover it because I didn't have dental insurance. And he's super calming because I was crying when I got there, and he said, "Why are you crying?" And I said, "I don't know." And he said, we're gonna get through this together." He had just finished doing his wife's reconstructive surgery after an accident that she had with her horse.
So Mo came in, we took a look at what had happened. She'd been assaulted, breaking up a fight between a man and a woman, and she had her nose broken, her front teeth broken out, and major bone destruction happened in front of her face. And her hospital said they don't do any reconstruction. So she was discharged in that condition. We did 3D imaging and 3D treatment planning in the imaging software, put a plan together for her, and after 2 major bone grafts and dental implants in the area there, within a year, she had her teeth back, she had her smile back. And from that time forward, she's able to recover from those injuries, and she's never looked back.
It was the most amazing feeling in so many ways because I had been so blessed by my community, Dr. Salmassi and his wife, so many people. Pure joy and gratefulness. I'm so grateful to him and his office staff. They're just amazing.
In my office, we have 3 rules. Rule number 1 is the patient always wins. I tell the patient that, and what that means is no matter what we do, it has to work for them. Rule number 2 is nobody gets hurt, not me or them. I joke about that, but the bottom line is no matter what we do, it has to be comfortable for them. Rule number 3 is I never tell patients what they have to do. I only make suggestions, because from that comes a dialogue, from that comes a plan, from that comes a successful case.
I'd like to say thanks to Dr. Salmassi and his whole staff because they really did become like my family, and now we are like family. We're friends outside of the business now, and that's the gift that I came out with, not only this, but the gift of wonderful friends for life.